Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce Online, and in this video I am going to solve this particular math tricky question. Before moving forward, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel. And now the question is 3 to the power x to the power square divided by 9 to the power x equals to 81. So it is very easy. First I will write 3 to the power x square. Now this 9 can be written as 3 to the power 3 square, the 3 square, and now that is x equals to an 81. I am going to take LCM of 81, that is going to be 3 2 is 6 and 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So going to have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So that means 3 to the power 4. So that 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. And as we know that power multiplies with power, so I can write AMN. So here 3 to the power x to the power square can be written divided by 3 to the power 2x equals to 3 to the power 4. This is the first part of our question in which I have solved this, and now we're going to further. So as we know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n base is same, we divide the power. So this is by following the basic concept. I am doing the same thing. I will write 3 x to the power square minus 2x equals to 3 to the power 4. And now we have the pretty much common thing is that 3 is common here and here, so I will cancel. So that would be x square minus 2x equals to 4. And now x square minus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. So we have two options. That first thing is that either I will factorize the question, I will solve by factor, or we can solve by quadratic equation. So here I am solving this question by quadratic equation. So as we know that the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to minus 4. So now I will apply the quadratic equation formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now minus, we're going to put the value of b, that is minus 2, plus minus under root. The value of b is minus 2 square, then minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 4 divided by 2, and a is 1. So here let me erase this. So here I will get plus 2 plus minus under root 4 plus 16 divided by 2, and now 2 plus minus 4 plus 60, that will be 20 divided by 2, and now 2 plus minus, that 20 can be written as 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, and then 2 plus minus, that 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, and now 2 plus minus, that 2 multiplied by 2 can be make pair and that will come out of the root. So we're going to have 2 plus minus 2. So now what we have is 2 is common, so we're going to have 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2, because 2 is common in this series, so 2 will be cancelled with that. Now we have 1 plus minus under root 5. So as you can see that we have 1 plus minus under root 5. So that means that now x would be equals to 1 plus under root 5, or either x equals to 1 minus under root 5. So that's it. That's the answer. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to watch more tricky questions like this. Thank you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.